Hello and welcome to the Journeyhorizon YouTube channel, the place where we share valuable insights on building and growing successful marketplaces. As the master of building marketplaces and marketing them to scale, we help founders turn ideas into scalable, sustainable ecosystems. The video you're watching is the very first episode of our new series, Marketplace Insights. In this series, we'll share real strategies, hands-on experience, and actionable lessons in both marketing and development, everything you need to build, operate, and scale a sustainable marketplace. Whether you're still validating your idea, in the middle of building your platform, or already gaining traction and looking to accelerate, you'll find the frameworks, methods, and real-world case studies here to guide your growth in the right direction. In today's episode, we dive into B2B Marketplace molds, top 3 popular and essential features.
Let's be real, the world of B2B e-commerce is absolutely exploding. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. So today we're going to break down the 3 most popular marketplace models out there and get into the essential features you absolutely have to build a winning platform.
All right, so here's our game plan for this explainer. First, we'll kick things off by exploring why this space is just so hot right now. Then we're going to dive deep into the 3 core models: product, service, and procurement. And to wrap it all up, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of how you can actually build and scale your own platform. Sound good? Let's get into it. Make no mistake about it, the stakes here are incredibly high. The B2B e-commerce world feels like a gold rush, but not everyone is going to strike it rich. Your choice of marketplace model, well, it isn't just some minor detail. It's pretty much the fundamental decision that's going to determine whether your business soars or just crashes and burns through capital.
Okay, let's kick things off with the model you probably think of first, the product B2B marketplace. But hey, don't be fooled by how familiar it sounds. The devil is really in the details, especially when you're talking about business-to-business transactions.
So what's the deal with this model exactly? Well, think of it like a wholesale version of your favorite online store, but on steroids. It's all about connecting the businesses that make or sell physical goods with the companies that need to buy them, usually in massive quantities.
Now this is where things get really interesting. A simple shopping cart just won't cut it in the B2B world. No way. You need a super detailed product catalog that can handle all sorts of complex specs. You need tiered pricing that actually rewards those big bulk orders. And you for sure need built-in negotiation tools because, let's be honest, B2B deals are rarely just set in stone. Throw in a powerful search function, some industrial-strength order management, and seamless logistics integration, and now you've got a platform that businesses will actually want to use.
All right, let's shift gears and talk about a completely different kind of value. We're moving away from boxes and pallets and into the world of brains and skills with service-to-B marketplaces.
So this model is all about connecting companies with the talent they need, right when they need it. We're talking about freelancers, specialized agencies, consultants, basically the experts who can come in and get a specific job done. The platform's whole mission? To make that connection, the collaboration, and the payment process as smooth as humanly possible. And with this model, it's a whole new ballgame. Trust and project management are absolutely everything. You've got to have detailed provider profiles with reviews you can actually rely on, a slick proposal system, and communication tools that just work. And when it comes to the money, flexible payment options like escrow are a must-have to build confidence for everybody. Plus, a 2-way rating system that keeps everyone honest and accountable. So, our final model is a real game changer. I mean, it flips the entire script completely. Welcome to the procurement or request for quote marketplace. This is the reverse marketplace that's turning whole industries on their head. Here's the key difference. The buyers are in complete control. A business posts exactly what they need. Something like, I need 10,000 custom-tooled widgets with these exact specs. And then suppliers compete against each other for their business by submitting quotes. It's pretty much the perfect model for complex, custom, or high-value orders.
To make this buyer-driven model really sing, you need the right set of features. We're talking about flexible forms to capture every single detail of a request, tools to compare quotes side by side at a glance, and clear internal approval workflows to keep those corporate buyers happy. And for the real power users, things like reverse auctions can drive incredible value, while secure document storage and ERP integration just make the whole process a breeze.
Okay, so now you know the 3 core models. You get the what. But here's the million-dollar question for any founder or product manager out there. How do you actually build one of these things without spending a fortune and a lifetime basically reinventing the wheel? And that's where a platform like Sharetribe completely changes the game. Sharetribe gives you that modern, ready-made technical foundation you need. You can think of it as the powerful engine for your marketplace, so you're not stuck trying to build one from the ground up.
The value here is really a triple threat. First, you get all the essential features, things like listings, payments, search, right out of the box. Second, that means you can launch way faster and with just a fraction of the development costs. And maybe most importantly, it frees you up to focus on what really moves the needle: your business strategy, your users, and your growth, not wrestling with back-end code.
But let's be real for a second. A powerful tool is just the beginning. Having the platform is kind of like having a top-of-the-line race car. It's fantastic, but you still need a skilled driver and a great pit crew if you actually want to win the race.
This is where having an experienced partner in your corner is a total game changer. Journeyhorizon has deployed over 60 marketplace projects all around the globe. That's the kind of deep, real-world experience that can help you dodge all the common pitfalls and really put you on the fast track to success. As a global development and growth partner that specializes in Sharetribe, Journeyhorizon does more than just build your platform. They help you nail your strategy, create a user experience your customers will actually love, handle those tricky API integrations, and give you the product, engineering, and growth expertise you need to go from a simple MVP to a global powerhouse. So let's bring it all home. You now have a rock-solid understanding of the 3 core B2B marketplace models. You've got the product marketplace for physical goods, the service marketplace for skills and projects, and the procurement or RFQ marketplace that puts the buyer.
And that's everything for today's episode. You now know the 3 core B2B marketplace models: product, service, and procurement/RFQ, and the essential features each one needs. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow Journeyhorizon for more insights, strategies, and real lessons on building and scaling successful marketplaces.